Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch the Pink Script Supervisor Bumblebee in Heartopia. So, in this latest update, Heartopia has a new event, Dreamlike Cinematic event, that in this event has 4 insects like this, 4 new insects like this, and one of them is Pink Script Supervisor Bumblebee that has a pink color and hold the movie's properties like this. I think it's so cute. And to catch this bumblebee, you can go to the flower field, more precisely at the Windmill Flower Field, and it spawns almost all time, all weather, sunny, rainy, and rainbow, and spawns all time like this. So just go to the Windmill Flower Field, and the map is located on here. This one, just go to this area and then just equip your insect tools to catch this insect. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.